In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a book cover in Canva. Designing a captivating book cover is crucial because it is often the first impression readers have of your book. Thankfully, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that makes this task not only doable but genuinely enjoyable. So, let's jump into it. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Once there, you'll want to type book cover into the search bar. This will direct you to a wide array of book cover templates, each offering different styles and themes. Take your time to scroll through the options, as choosing the right template is key to making your cover align with the essence of your book. Once you've found a template that resonates with your vision, click on it. This will open the template in a new window where you will see a button that says customize this template. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the fun truly begins, as you'll now have the ability to make the template your own. Now let's focus on the text elements of your design. Canva allows you to edit the existing text to better match the title and subtitle of your book. Simply click on the text box and you can type in your book's title. Here, make sure to consider the font style, size and color so that everything is readable and visually pleasing. Don't hesitate to experiment a bit until you get the look just right. Next, we're going to add some additional elements to give your book cover a unique flair. Look for the Elements tab on Canva's editor. Clicking on this will present you with a wide selection of graphics, shapes, lines, and more. You can use these elements to enhance the cover's design and better express the book's theme. For instance, if your book is a mystery novel, you might want to add some subtle, mysterious symbols to pique interest. Remember, balance is key when adding these elements. You don't want them to overwhelm the text or the overall design. Instead, think of them as complementary pieces that accentuate and enhance the cover without overpowering it. After you've finished customizing the text and adding elements, take a step back to assess your design. Does it reflect the story or message of your book? Is it visually engaging and likely to attract potential readers? If everything looks great, you're almost finished. Finally, save your work by downloading the completed design in your preferred format. This will ensure you have a high-resolution version ready for publishing or printing. And there you have it, a striking book cover designed in Canva. That's all for today's guide. With these steps, you're equipped to create a book cover that's not only visually appealing but also true to your story. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and happy designing.